God. Oh my God. It's 5 o'clock. It's Friday. It's the happy hour. Are you happy? I hope so. Because it's the happy hour. I have here a lemon. Thought about this lemonade, lemon ice. It's still, you know, we still have a couple of weeks of summer left. So I was just thinking about citrusy things. And you may already know where this is going. So if you do, subscribe to this video and prove it. If you don't know yet, like and share, or do all three. I went out and I got myself an Italian treat, limoncello. Now it is made in other places, and most notably it could be made at the house, which is why I got some of these. It does take a while, so the video will be forthcoming on how to make your own limoncello and other spirits. But this Caravella is supposed to be the #1 limoncello sold in America. It uses lemons from the Amalfi Coast, I believe from Sorrento. I think they're St. Theresa lemons. They get like, you know, basketballs. I mean, grapefruits are huge, and they're everywhere. They're all over the streets. They have lemon trees up and down. So obviously anything in southern Italy, it's a little bit hotter. And they need that some, you know, little refreshing, you know, lemon is a great opportunity for that, and they cook a lot with it as well. So this has been they've been in business here. They've been doing this recipe since 1898. The Sperone brothers still own and do all of the limoncello on their own. So let's get this thing opened up. Oh, it smells like lemons. Looks like lemons. This is chilled. Keep this in the freezer. It's the way it's best enjoyed. In Italy, they usually also chill the glasses. I'm using a little copper mug, which is not traditional. I mean, they usually use chilled ceramic or very ornate glasses. You know, it's something that they do. They sip on after meal, so it's more of a digestive than something that. Oh, look at that. It's not syrupy at all. That's one thing I don't like, is when you get a really thick limoncello and it just coats your mouth and it's just not pleasant at all. This looks great. That's good. It's bright. It's got a nice finish. So it starts out sweet and then it gets really tart. So you get the sweetness of the lemon, the juice, and then you get that tartness of the peel that comes in on the second half. It's almost peppery. Kind of like it. Really like it, actually. Oh, yeah. If you've ever get the chance to do the Amalfi Coast or go to Capri in Italy, definitely make sure you try a lot of the limoncellos. They all make them, mostly family recipes. They're all kind of similar, but people have little twists. Some of them put milk in it, you know, rather than water or other alcohols, and it makes it like a creamy limoncello. So this is also pretty good to cook with again. This would be nice on top of a you know, a piece of fish or chicken. This may also be good for baking. You could put it into, you know, muffins or cookies or a cake. Yeah, this is just a summer special. This is something that you will also get for free at the end of meals in South Italy, in Southern Italy, and especially in Sicily. They have great oranges and citrus lemon trees and plants and everything else there that are just simply amazing. So yes, if you're able to enjoy a drink, you're 21, you're not going to drive, you're not going crazy, I definitely recommend this. This is a really good spot, and especially when it's going to take us weeks to make our own limoncello. And I'll show you how to not have to, no distillation, just complete infusion without any confusion. Subscribe, don't miss it. It's going to be a barn burner. And we're just going to relax with the rest of this and watch the sunset here and enjoy a buzz with our cuz. You know, this is a pleasant surprise. Cheers. Burner. Ciao, friends.